Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a keyboard that's very interesting to me, and I picked it up because of how cool it was, and that is the Box 60. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to let you know I recently created a Discord server and it would be awesome if I could see you guys there. The Discord invite link is in the description below. Now this keyboard is basically like building a model kit. So for example, Gundam model kits or Pokemon model kits, which I enjoy doing a lot. I have a lot of Pokemon ones, a lot of Gundam ones, even some anime ones as well. And it's just something that's very fun to do. So when I saw I could do that for a keyboard, I was very excited. I picked this up on Mech Market for 50 bucks and it was unopened. But right now they go for 90 in the pink version that is available. But I have the purple version with me today. Now this only comes with the case. You do have to buy the PCB and plate separately, and I did just that. The PCB that I found that worked with it is the DZ60 Hot Swap ANSI layout. Worked perfectly with this keyboard. I got a polycarbonate plate and some plate foam as well. Now building this keyboard was very fun and had a lot of fun doing it. But I ran into some problems when I finished the whole build, and I just wanted to talk about that before I get into the pros. So when you build a lot of model kits, sometimes some of the parts can become warped or a little bit imperfect. And I think that happened with this keyboard. So it doesn't really exactly lay flat on my desk like all my other keyboards do. And I found that the delete key and the spacebar rub against the case, which makes a little scratching noise. And I tried sanding down the case on the sides that I felt had the interference with my keycaps. But even at that, it still makes the noise sometimes. First it was all the time, but now it's only sometimes, so I guess I sort of fixed the problem. But overall, it was a little disappointing to see this because I really liked the look of this keyboard. I went ahead and used some lubed and filmed linear switches that I picked up on Mech Market as well. These have a muted sound signature, so when you put it on a polycarbonate board, it sounds very deep and muted, but it sounds very nice to the ears, so I really liked how they feel and sound. The only problem was that the spacebar and backspace run up against the case like I mentioned before. Other than that, I absolutely love this keyboard. Now, from my personal preference, I ran into the problem that I already missed the arrow keys on my keyboard because I'm not used to using a 60%. If this keyboard was available in 65%, I would have definitely picked that one up instead. This keyboard kit comes with everything you need. Like I said, it comes with the screws for the keyboard and all the parts that you need, with a manual that tells you how to build the whole keyboard case, which is very cool and resembles a lot of, a Gundam model kit. Other than that, here's the sound test. So yeah, like I said, this keyboard does sound, deep and a little bit muted because that's the sound profile of the switches, and that's what happens when you use a polycarbonate plate. It makes the sound of the switches sound even deeper, which makes for a very nice sounding keyboard. Overall, I am really happy. Even at the end of the day, if the switches on the backspace and spacebar rub against it, it is still a very nice keyboard kit, and I think this was just a problem with my keyboard. Let me know what you guys think about this keyboard in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.